Greenhouse gases are either naturally occurring or man-made molecules that keep heat within the Earth's atmosphere, resulting in the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is necessary to keep Earth's temperature moderate, but when too many of these gases exist in Earth's atmosphere, global temperatures tend to rise, resulting in the phenomenon also known as global warming. A greenhouse gas is any gas that resonates with the wavelength of energy. In this case, they must absorb and emit infrared waves within Earth's atmosphere. There are four primary greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons. Let's start with the most abundant, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is produced by both natural sources and anthropogenic sources. It can be released by biodegradation, forest fires, while humans can release it through the combustion of fossil fuels. Carbon dioxide is rapidly increasing in Earth's atmosphere due to human activity, causing the phenomenon known as the enhanced greenhouse effect. Next, let's move on to methane. It can be released by humans through rice cultivation, combustion of biomass, and the combustion of fossil fuels. It is naturally released by the natural breakdown of biomass. Methane levels too have rapidly increased since the Industrial Revolution. Nitrous oxide is a lingering greenhouse gas that stays in the atmosphere for up to 115 years. It is produced anthropogenically and through fertilizers and human soil aeration, while it can be produced naturally by the natural aeration of soil. Last but not least, CFCs. CFCs are purely produced anthropogenically and cannot be produced naturally. They are made by human production through the use of refrigerants, aerosol propellants, and industrial manufacture. CFCs just came in 1930 and can linger up to 50,000 years. We'll go deeper into what actually happens in the phenomenon also known as the greenhouse effect. Visible light enters the Earth's atmosphere through radiation from the sun. While some of it is reflected by Earth's atmosphere, the rest of the visible light enters Earth's atmosphere and is reflected by Earth's ocean or ground as infrared photons. While some of the infrared photons leave Earth's atmosphere, some of them are absorbed and re-emitted by greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases trap heat within the Earth, causing a natural moderation of temperature. But human activity has distorted this process by creating more and more greenhouse gases, causing disastrous effects on the world.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. All right, lift off and the clock is started.
One of the effects global warming became the major issue in satellite era, which began in 1970s. Scientists could see the visual and actual changes that were occurring to Earth as a whole, most notably in the Arctic. Through routine satellite observation, they could see decreasing ice extent in correlation to the increasing in greenhouse gases. More specifically, there were decreasing minimum sea ice extent as well as decreasing maximum sea ice extent. But not everything can be seen through the satellite. The Arctic is taking massive blows to biodiversity as well as sea ice age. Due to the increase in temperature, scientists question the existence of ice in the Arctic in the near future. These horrendous changes are often a result of human activities. Human activities has indeed caused global warming. Scientific answer can be substantiated by looking at the famous hockey stick graph, where the moderately stable temperature of the Earth skyrockets starting late 1800s, where rapid and systematic industrialization took place. The high temperature is explained by the close association between industrialization and burning fossil fuels as the engine. More and more carbon dioxide was poured into the air starting 1850s, and the serious effect is demonstrated in late 1800s to early 1900s.